Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is we are going to be discussing the Concepts SB Special Box Unboxing. This is for the orange lobster pair. I got a size 8 from the sneakers pass right here, and we are going to be discussing all the details of this and, well, really just, how the sneaker looks, the things I can show you with it. So that's really what I'm going to mention in this video, and if you want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. I'd really appreciate that. Let's try and hit 300 likes in this video, and if you want to cook more sneakers just like this one for retail price, be sure you guys check out our group down below, Hype Labs. Drew and I have been working on that for a while. We got the daily under market deals, so you can make money off that. We got backdoors, we got botters that can cop items for you. Don't forget about that, the free ACO. And also we have a solid team that can do one-on-ones with you, teach you how to bot. We got weekly botting classes. Also on top of that, along with so many other features within Hype Labs, you can just go check the site. There are so many things, along with many other things that aren't on the site that are also in the group. So if you're interested in that, a solid community, we can teach you really how to up your resale game. So feel free to check us out. Join our waitlist down below if y'all want to. And that's really all I need to mention right there. So I hope y'all will enjoy. It's free to join the waitlist. You'll only be charged if you're let in, and let's get started. And I'm always trying to assist people with stuff like this. That's really my goal. I'm very active in it. So yeah, but that's not really the topic of this video. The topic of this video is the Concepts SB. So again, when you look at this right here, this is Salvador Dali. This is a painting from him, if I am correct. I do not want to be wrong on this. I do not think it is a photo. I'm surely, well, not surely sure, but I'm pretty positive that this is a painting, and you can see it is just the Lobster telephone. That's what it is called. It was made in 1938. Yeah, I am right on that. It just says right there though, so it's not really hard to tell, but in 1938 this painting was made here. Let me try and get this to focus if I can. Hopefully that is focusing for you guys, but that is not the only detail on the shoe. I believe there's a size tag also. Yep, there's a size tag on this sneaker as well. Hopefully, there you go, I can get it angled to actually see it focus right there, but there is the size tag on the sneaker. Hopefully that is showing for you guys, but a size 8 2022 orange lobster Concepts SB. I think I read that right. SB Dunk Low lobster shoe 2022 mixed media Concepts International. Yeah, property of Concepts International. So pretty cool. I like the tag. It's a little bit unique, and overall you got this whole kind of like golden picture frame going around the special box. At least that's what I can gather of it being, kind of like a frame that would go around a painting, something like that. But they really did make this box unique, which is one of my favorite features about it. And lobster telephone, and it's an orange lobster because that's the pair that's inside. So why don't we show you guys the pair inside? We discussed that. So when I open the box is huge, by the way. This is a massive box. Like, you notice I have to back up to show this to you guys on camera, but this box is huge. There's zero doubt about that. I actually have to back up a little bit more. I'm now back it up into the door, but yeah, I have enough room to open this box now. So once we're opening it right here, it takes a little bit to open too. I gotta shake it a bit right here. There we go. So open the top of the box, and now when you really get into it, you have two boxes right here, and let me explain what these are. You can probably tell what each one is though. So the box on the top right there is the 25th anniversary 100% and 400% bear brick, and the sneakers on the bottom right there are going to be the orange lobsters SBs. So I will show you all what I can that is in the box right now. This, I believe, is sealed closed, so I can't show you all this, but let me show you at least the box for it and the details of it. So when you look at this right here, again, is the Concepts bear brick, the 100% and 400% one. These only come with the special box, not with the regular box. Pairs coming to sneakers soon on the 20th, so you're not going to be having this. They may drop some special box pairs too, but probably not a lot of them. Like, I would expect like a couple thousand maybe of the special box, but many more of the regular box pairs, which we will see at skate shops, different things like that. But just want to show you all this. I can't because I'm trying to keep these DS because I'm not really sure what my plan is. If these were my size, I would I would definitely show you guys this, but not my size, so can't keep these. I'm not a size 8, but yeah, Concepts bear brick comes in this box, the 25th anniversary one, so don't forget about that. And yeah, 100% and 400% one, so two different sizes in this one right here. I got some dust in my hand. Concepts must have had these around for a little bit before they dropped them. Yeah, because I got dust here. I mean, we saw plenty of early picks, so it doesn't really shock me that there's some dust on these kicks. But let me actually show you all the Concepts SB right here, the size 8 pairs. So when you look at the box, it shows you a separate tag right here, just kind of like that normal SB tag, but it shows you again, it says Concepts right on there. Hopefully you guys can see that, and that'll focus for me. There you go, size 8. Sorry, just the lighting sometimes is a little bit funky on the camera. But when you get into this pair right here, such a nice one. Of course, the first thing I'll show you guys is the Concepts wristbands. You got this one right here, and then the 20 years one. I can just kind of hopefully get this to focus right there, but yeah, hopefully you guys can see that, the 20 years and Concepts SB little wristbands that came with. Yeah, there you go, there they are. So y'all can probably see that focusing pretty well. So it came with 2 wristbands, and then here's the actual SB we have right here. Aside from the box, all the details about that, this is the Concepts SB, the orange lobster. Such a clean pair in hand, there's no denying that. It comes with orange laces, white laces, laces and blue laces. You can see that right here tucked into the shoe. Just kind of tuck that out a little bit for you guys right there so you can see that. And then actually looking on the insole of the sneaker, this is one of my favorite parts. You kind of got like this picnic table theme, if that makes sense. I mean, it's not like a picnic table. I mean, kind of, but it's not red, it's orange. But I'm just seeing kind of like this slight plaid theme, which I really like on the sneaker. This is one of my favorite parts about it. Obviously, truly, my favorite part about the shoe is just overall that it is an SB. I love SBs. I'm a big fan of them. And then, of course, you got the band around the sneaker, which you can remove this part. You can take it off or on the. You can put it on or take it off, either one. So that's one of the. That's another feature about the shoe. Just got the band up here by the tongue box of the sneaker, and then of course right there in the back you got the typical Nike heel. You can see, of course, it just got that little orange and black with some white in the sneaker as well. That the Nike logo is embroidered white on the shoe, so don't forget about that. And then also let me show you all the other sneaker right here. Also has the black band around it. Pretty much all the same details. I mean, there's nothing that really changes between the two sneakers from what I know, but there you guys can see we got the band, and then we got everything right here up here by the tongue tag. You can see it's just typical Nike SB stuff, nothing really crazy. Y'all can see here, hopefully this will focus for me, but yeah, you can see pretty regular stuff. And then also here on the inside you got more details, so don't forget about that all right here. I think it's a little bit, I think there's some stuff actually written here. No, I think it's a normal stuff you see in an SB, so that is on the inside of the shoe as well. Do not forget about that. And yeah, that's pretty much what I can mention to you guys about the Concepts SB. I love the orange colorway. I love how it hits with the white and black on the sneaker as well. I really think that helps it kind of stand out a little bit more. And this is definitely one of the better SBs from this year. The special box pair is going for thousands. I got a size 8. I think it goes for around $9.50, so not bad. I'm gonna see what I end up doing with this. Shout out CJ as well. I appreciate you, my boy, for giving me selling me this pair right here. It's really dope. And again, if you're looking to get more pairs like for retail, just like this pair right here, because again, I got this pair from a member for retail. I didn't get it off them for retail. They got it for retail, and I obviously paid them fair. Not too much, but under market, which is nice. And everyone made their good amount of money. So again, if you're interested in Hype Labs, be sure you guys check us out down below so you can cook more pairs like this one right here. I'm a huge fan of the Orange Lobster, and I love how this one again hits in hand. I feel like a lot of people are really gonna like the regular box pair that is coming up, because that is not a drop that is far away. That is on the 20th, so pretty soon. But yeah, another great special box pair. I'm a big fan of this one. I like that it came with like the bear bricks and all that. They really did their work on this collaboration, which is a nice part about it. And of course, you got the massive box with it. Got to put the wristbands back in here. There you go. But everything that comes with the box, there's a ton of stuff in it, which is again one of the main features of it. So I'm a big fan of this one. Shout out Concepts again. The drop was messy. They could have done way better with the drop for sure. I mean, there's zero doubt about that. Everybody agrees on that. It was a super messy drop, both for the raffle and for the first come first serve release. So they really messed up. But here we go. Special box pair. Let me know your thoughts down below. And shout out Hype Labs. Start cooking with us down below. Go join the wait list. And that's everything I'll need to say. So if you want more content, subscribe and like down below. Let me know what type of videos you want to see, if there's any particular content. And also don't forget, like goal in this video, I think I said it was like 250 or 300. So if you could hit that, that'd be cool. And again, go start cooking with us down below. Again, I'm one of the owners of the group. I'm always active and talking in the chat. So if you just want to, start talking with me about, like deals, how to resell, and everything we offer in the chat as well. Don't forget free ACO, daily under market deals, so you can flip those to StockX, stuff like that, backdoors, etc. That is all there. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you all, and hopefully I will catch you all in the next video soon. Peace.